how to check longitude, latitude on Google Maps. So if you want to check the longitude and latitude on your Google Maps, then what you need to do is first open up your Chrome browser. And once you open your browser, you need to go for the upper right, which has that Google Apps, and go for the Maps. Once you're under the map option, now you just need to simply select location. For example, I'll be choosing a location which is this one. Once you've chosen a location, now here you will have the red color dot, right? So what you need to do is simply right click on the red color dot, and here you will have a kind of numbers. So these numbers are the longitude and latitude of that location. In similar way, if you go for the this university, you can right click on that red color dot, and here you will have the latitude and longitude. You can also copy that to your clipboard and you can send that to your friends, and that's it. That's how you can check the longitude and latitude on your Google Maps. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.